Today I'm going to show you how to get the pee smell from an animal, likely a dog or a cat, out of a couch. I had some guests stay in this property recently, and they indicated that this couch had a very strong odor of pet urine. We do allow pets in our rentals. They mentioned though that it was mainly coming from this section of the couch. So what I'm gonna do is figure out and identify where is the odor, and then I'll show you how I use professional equipment to get the smell completely out of the couch. First step, unfortunately, I have to find where the smell is, and there's only one way to do that. So these couches are only about 2 months old, so they really do smell pretty brand new. The cushions that I put over here, there was no odor at all. In fact, they smelled pretty good. They smelled like a brand new scent. The ones over here, as you could see from my face, like, ugh, it was pretty bad. So what I'm gonna guess is I can see this is not a shadow. This is actually a mark, I believe. Let me make sure that's true. Yeah, that's a mark. So here's what I'm guessing. There's probably a cat sitting right here looking out the window, and the cat decided to just urinate. And it covered this section of the couch, and it covered the cushion that was here, and then one cushion right here in the middle had an odor. The one that was right here smelled brand new, and everything, all the throw pillows were brand new. So I'm gonna anticipate that it's not only this section right here, but also on the back side as well, and then those cushions. So what I like to use is I have this professional grade Hoover upholstery cleaner, and this thing is awesome. But remember, an upholstery cleaner is only as good as the solution that you put inside it. I will get that solution from the car in a little bit, but basically what you do is you fill the solution tank with mostly water and then some of the solution that you have. And this is the tank that it's gonna pull from when it sprays the product out, and then it's gonna suck it up like a vacuum cleaner and put it in the discharge recovery tank. So this is where all the junk's gonna go. These things, you know, they pick up a lot of stuff. So you're gonna see how filled up of, you know, yucky liquid this is going to fill up after this point. So I'm gonna plug this in and start cleaning up and getting to work, because I can clearly see what I need to do here. All right, so for these 3 cushions, I'm just gonna take the fabric off of the cushion and put them in the washing machine. I don't think they took the direct hit from the cat is what I'm gonna guess. But I mean, it was enough to create an odor. It might just be because it was directly next to and pressed up against the back of this couch, which is what took most of the hit. So I'm gonna put those in a wash with some really hot water and some good detergent that smells awesome. So that should help with that. I'm also gonna make sure that the stuffing inside of the cushions doesn't have an odor. If it does, I'm gonna have to, you know, figure out another step. So hopefully I get lucky here and that doesn't. All right, so I took the stuffing out of one of the cushions, which just looks like it was sprayed and injected stuffing. I smelled it, and it does have a strong odor in it. So I can clean this couch as much as I want. If I don't treat this stuff somehow, it's gonna continue to smell. So I'm gonna go look around and see what I got. I was checking some blogs on what people do in this situation, and a lot of people were saying Fabuloso with lavender works, and I happen to have a ton of it right here. I got that from Costco. This will make like 100 gallons of it, not even kidding. So I got some in a spray bottle right now, and I'm gonna start using it. Right as I walk into this room, I'm just completely inundated with this like pet urine smell. So it's absolutely this stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it pretty good, let it sit out for a little bit. All right, so now I have this cushion sitting in my spray. Same thing with that cushion. They've both been treated. I'm gonna let that kind of aerate a little bit. This cushion didn't have much of a smell at all, so I'm kind of thinking, you know, I was doing too much smelling at once and I got mixed up. So that cushion actually smells just like these two cushions. So I think I'm good. I'm gonna take these fabrics right here and get them in the washing machine, let that run. I'm gonna spray more spray on here and let it sit for a bit. I gotta do a lot of treatments of this in order for this to work. You can't just do it once and it's done. I got the cushion covers running right now, hot water with a lot of detergent on it. All right, I think it's working. I just walked in and it didn't smell bad at all. In fact, it smelled really clean. So I think that I'm gonna do another layer of spraying on the inside of these cushions. And then I let the solution sit on the couch for like 5 minutes and then do another application and let that sit for another few minutes. Okay, I have done 3 or 4 passes on this. I can't quite remember. I've let it sit. It's been about a 30 to 45 minute process so far. So now what I'm gonna do is the final step, and it's just a sniff test. And you know, if the odor is still present, I'm gonna do more passes, probably 30 minutes more. If it's gone though, then we're set. So here we go. Okay, so it's almost perfect. It's a very light smell. Kind of centered right here in this section is the odor still. It's very light, but it's enough for me to want to do another pass. So that's what I'm gonna do. The pet was probably sitting right here and the urine probably went straight down. So everything else is right where I need it to be. The top and the back, it smells just fine, but I'm gonna do one more pass in this section right here. I'm gonna actually do what I did on the cushion stuffing. So I'm gonna spray some of this on here and maybe that will help as well. All right, that took about an hour of cleaning, but it smells brand new again. And if you were a guest and you were to lay on this pull-out couch, you would never know. So that is how you do it. Thanks for watching.